Okay, so this is how to remove noise from your audio recordings. Ironically, I'll have to do the same step to this recording right now because it has the problem where I have a humidifier in the background and I'm too lazy to buy proper microphone setup and too broke. So what you can do is if you record on using just your phone, you would usually get an M4A file. Maybe there's an app that can go right to MP3, but mine just happened to always be in this MPA format. And because you're usually making a video, you can actually usually convert your audio format with your video software. So I use an open source software called Shotcut. So we add the file here. I just want to add an arbitrary audio track. Put it here. And then in the export properties, instead of a video, we're actually just going to export it as an MP3. So export. So here it's converting right now, and it's much faster than a video file. Okay, so once you've converted it using software like this or however you want, or maybe you were able to record straight to MP3, you open Audacity and open that same file, import audio, say effect, noise removal, noise reduction. So I start talking here, so I'll just select this region and then go effect, go back, noise removal, noise reduction. And I think it already will use this selection, but we'll see. So click OK. Right, pardon me. Okay, so here we've selected the region, but then we have to do it again where we select the whole thing and then apply the effect, noise reduction,